Hello, let's look at how Excel Slim can use Python code generated by ChatGPT within Excel. Let's say we need a mortgage repayment schedule. So we ask ChatGPT to write a Python function to produce a mortgage repayment schedule for a given loan amount, interest rate and term. We also ask ChatGPT to return the data as a pandas data frame and to use type hints. ChatGPT generates the Python function for us. And even shows us how to call the function. We copy the code ChatGPT has generated for us and open Excel Slim. Paste the code into cell A1 and use the create PyModule function to create a dynamic Python module. The calculate mortgage repayment function is now available to use in Excel and produces a pandas data frame as expected. We can use the viewPyObject function to view the pandas data frame, and we have our mortgage repayment schedule with all the code helpfully produced by ChatGPT.